make a thing with your shoulder. You can't even shake your shoulder.
Don't worry yourself, I'll learn it soon. Okay, so Jamaica's elite athletes will soon no longer need to travel outside the country to receive the best treatment for injuries and other ailments, as the government plans to set up a Caribbean Sports Medicine Center at UWI.
Wow.
Yep.
You're happy about that?
I am. The center is one of the legacy projects being undertaken as a part of Jamaica's year-long Jamaica 55 Independence Celebration. Minister Olivia Babsy-Green said there will be projects such as the Virtual Sports Museum, which will trace and showcase Jamaica's performance in sports, followed by an establishment of a physical sports museum at the Independence Park complex at the National Stadium.
Cool.
Another of the projects is commissioning of 4 statues honoring Olympians,
yeah.
outstanding Olympians. I wonder who those 4 will be.
Oh, come on. You said about Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine.
Merlene, Ati.
Let me tell you why I didn't say Merlene. Because there's a lot of controversy in terms of her belonging to us.
Well, she does belong to us.
And
well, for me, she belongs to us.
I know.
Yeah, she'll always belong
love her, you know.
But,
she's my first.
But it's a big deal, though. This is a big deal.
It's huge.
It's a big deal. Athletes don't have to go to Germany or Florida to get the best treatment. It's going to be right here. But for me, it took too long.
But let's not focus on the fact that it took long. Let's just be glad that it's actually happening.
I am glad, but at the same time, though, it could have been done much sooner. Plans were put in place after 2008, and we're almost 10 years later.
Yeah, but things don't happen overnight with these kind of things. You know, they take planning, they take money.
Yeah,
you know, it takes a lot of those things. So I kudos to you, Madam Grange. I'm happy that we're actually there. I'm happy.
And it's not just track; it's all sports.
Right? So
we may see some.
Less injury. You know what this means for us? This means that we could actually surpass our ranking in terms of sporting in the world, and that's awesome.
And I'm looking forward to that.
Oh yeah. All right, next up, we're gonna head overseas as the Kremlin has warned the US it is one step from war over Syria. Then the Trump administration hit back by saying it would be prepared to carry out airstrikes again. In the first direct American raid on Bashar al-Assad's forces, President Trump authorized the firing of 59 cruise missiles at a military airfield. Russian Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev, please pronounce that name for me, I'm not good with it. Medvedev. Jeez, please. Denounced the US for attacking the legitimate government of Syria and for allegedly breaking international law without the approval of the UN. Vladimir Putin also denounced the US missile strikes as an illegal act of aggression against a sovereign nation. The Russian president responded to the attack against his ally by diverting a warship to protect the Syrian coast and vowing to bolster Assad's missile defenses against further bombing raids. Have you been watching CNN lately?
Not really.
No? Do you know what's going on in terms of all of it?
Yeah. World War III.
Yes! I said it, and I said it to my other half, and he said to me, you know, before he was elected president, he said, this is definitely a possibility.
Donald Trump is unstable, and I think it's now coming to the fore with all the decisions he's making, and he's putting his country in jeopardy, he's putting other people in jeopardy. And it's crazy. Like we saw this coming, people saw all of this coming, and it's almost like no one did anything to prevent it.
Yeah, well, now people are regretting voting for him and all sorts of things, but regrets don't fix situations.
Remember we spoke about it before, where people vote for something and then...
Don't know what they're talking about. Like Brexit. It was the same situation, and they're doing it again. But here now, we are on the brink of actually having World War III. This is not a situation where it's a joke. It's actually a possibility. Like, we could wake up tomorrow and be in the middle of a world war because of decisions made by a man who knows nothing about politics.
I'm just glad the most you have to worry about in Jamaica is JPS.
That is not the most you have to worry about. We are a hop, skip, and a jump away from Florida, and if them decide, say, them going to use here, so we just launch off something, we are going to get bomb.
Yeah, but
Make sure take a bomb.
Look on the bright side.
Too cute to get bomb.
Look on the bright side. Maybe that's why I get so much gray hair. Yeah,
shut up.
All right, I'm done. Okay. George and Amal Clooney gave neighbors a $45,000 compensation.
No, not dollar. Look good.
Whoa.
Yes, you.
Wow.
35.
Enough money, that's enough.
Pounds.
45,000 pound compensation package for the disturbance caused by renovations to their estate. So hold on. Them get money because
you're bothering my ears.
Look at me if you move, go England.
Don't it. You're bothering my sense of hearing, so I'm gonna sue you if you don't give me some money.
Yeah.
1,000 pounds worth.
Pounds. Okay. The deal agreed with their neighbors in Berkshire in UK included a holiday to Corfu, a 6-day, no man, 6-week stay in a luxury hotel, and a £30,000 lump sum.
Okay.
In addition to the package, the Clooneys paid for the Groves to rent a £780,000 cottage. No, sir.
Down
No,
the
sir.
road. Let me finish it, fam.
No,
Down the
sir.
road in their home
No,
in
sir.
Stunning. Refurbishment.
No.
I want to be that neighbor.
Yeah, I want to be that neighbor.
Disturbed. That's Karine
I want to
that.
be that.
Seriously.
I'd
I
love to
want
be that
somebody to
neighbor.
disturb me if them going to pay me like that.
When me hear,
Hotel?
not to be that, you know, when me hear my neighbors are bang next door, I'm gonna say, wow, I can't stop the noise. Just cool, no man.
Just
Soon
cool?
done.
You're lucky them not tell you some other
No,
things.
no, no.
This
I've
week I've been
nice
trying
neighbors.
to sleep, and I swear to you, I don't know how grass grows so fast in a family neighborhood. Every
Every
time
day.
me put my head on the pillow, I promise you, there is a reason why they don't allow some of us to
What if
carry
you can get money
firearms.
for that? Oh,
It's
Oh.
so annoying when you want to sleep.
Filica grass?
Yeah, it's annoying, man.
grass.
You ever want sleep? So them sleep toucher people. you know?
I sleep dead, you know.
No, I can't sleep.
Yeah, I
and I
sleep
need
dead.
to sleep in the day because I don't sleep at night.
Yeah, I sleep dead. So I wish somebody would compensate me for all the noise they make.
Please, how much money you think we can get?
Out here,
$45.
if so much. Them give you money for
sweetie.
them give you money to put on your bus card and say, all right, take that and go on. No man, them not give you so much. But still, that's a great gesture though.
Okay,
Great
it's a gesture, but then it brings about some serious questions in terms of sound pollution. I know people don't think about noise pollution, but it is actually disturbing to people's senses. How do you know when to stop? What is too much? When do you make noise? When do
2
you not
a.m.
make noise?
2 a.m.
Is there... Yeah, soldier? Yeah, come lock out the dance?
Lock off everything, 2 o'clock.
But
I'm
that
saying,
only gives you, or if you're a person like me who gets up to get everything ready at 5, that gives you 3 hours of sleep.
Then you go to bed earlier.
How? When me at work? You're so insensitive, Dwayne.
Go to bed earlier, man.
All right, guys, we want to know what you think about the £45,000 compensation. But what are your thoughts on the other stories as well? Let us know at SmileJamTVJ. And that's it for the trending topic.
I mean, I like some of that money too.
You want?
But I like some of that.